Ariel, what the hell is going on? We had a date half an hour ago.
Chuck, I'm sorry.
I don't like you making a fool out of me.
And why would you? You do such a great job of it yourself.
Shut up, Rusty.
Hey, will you be joining these ladies for dinner?
When I say meet me at 8, what am I, talking to myself?
No, you're right. Calm down, honey.
Don't tell me to calm down! Don't ever tell me what to do! I know what your friends think of me, and that's bullshit. I'm the best damn party in this town, baby! And those 3 dogs ought to be tied up under the porch. Let's go.
Typical James.
No.
Get in the truck.
No.
Excuse me?
I said no. What part of that don't you understand?
Ooh, when the preacher's daughter says no, it makes me so hot. Say it again, baby.
Leave me alone, Chuck. Don't.
Wait, I believe the lady said no, okay?
And I believe this is none of your business.
Ren, don't.
Ariel, who invited this clown?
Oh, I'm sorry, we haven't been formally introduced. Ren McCormack.
Get your hand out of my face and get your face out of my side.
That's it, Chuck, you were fired. Let's party!
Whoa,
Come
whoa,
on!
whoa,
Oh my God, don't!
Buddy!
No, ma'am. We were just discussing the safety and comfort of one of your valued customers here.
What? You think that's funny?
You pick up trucks in the handicap park. That's a space we reserve for people with physical, not emotional disabilities.
You haven't seen the last of me, McCormack.
Could I please kick his ass?